Hey, what's up everyone? It's me again, Matt. Let's do a quick tutorial on how to remove, create, and roll back a snapshot in Proxmox. So let's get right into it. So basically, a snapshot is an image of a virtual machine at a specific point in time. We can use this snapshot to roll back a virtual machine whenever we encounter an issue. And here I've already opened Proxmox graphical user interface. I have one existing virtual machine. It's running Home Assistant. It's been running for about 47 days, and this is a working version. Now, to create a snapshot, all you have to do is highlight the virtual machine, go to Snapshots tab, and so let's try to remove first the existing snapshot. So highlight the snapshot, select remove, and it would ask for confirmation. Just select yes. In a few seconds, bada bing, bada boom, that's already removed. Now to create a snapshot, all you have to do is go back to the Snapshots tab, select on the Take Snapshot button, create a, put a name, let's say the date today. And will not include the RAM. Put a descriptive description, let's say working VM. Then select the Take Snapshot button. In a few seconds, that will be completed. The status can be checked also under the Status tab. Once it says OK, that's already good. Now you may close the dialog box by hitting the X button. Now, to roll back from snapshots, all you have to do is go back to the Snapshots tab again, highlight the current snapshot, and select the rollback button. But for this video, we won't be simulating to roll back the VM. And yeah, there you go, guys. That's how you remove, create, and roll back a snapshot in Proxmox. So see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.